Sa morning among kinabuhi dire. Dire sa Amerika yo, tanawa. Pangarga yo. Oh guys, so maglalagay na tayo ng mga signs. Apat na A-frame signs ang nilagay natin sa bawat corner kung saan medyo busy po na laging dinadaanan ng mga sasakyan. Naglagay na rin kami ng mismong address sa ating A-frame para mas makita po ng mga tao saka dadalhin sila mismo doon sa station. So, sinubukan po namin tanongin yung management ng subdivision dito kung pwede sana buksan yung gate the entire time na sales para mas mabilis na lang po sana sa customer namin na pasok-labas sila. Kaso daw ay hindi nila alam kung papaano. So ang ginawa na lang po namin dito is nalagay kami ng A-frame na may gate code po para ilagay na lang po ng aming customer saka po sila makakapasok. So nailagay na po natin lahat ng sign. Sunod na po namin ginawa is maglagay na po na pop-up kasi medyo mainit po ng araw na to. So, kailangan po natin ng shade. Pagkatapos po namin mailagay yung pop-up or yung shade, sunod na po namin ginawa dito is nilabas yung ibang gamit mula sa shop doon papunta sa table sa labas para mas makita po siya ng tao. So habang sila naglalabas ng mga gamit from the shop, ako naman nagbibisikleta kasi gustong-gusto ko talaga itong bisikletang to. Kaso, ayaw bilhin ng isa, kaya ito, trinay ko muna bago maibenta.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Philippines!
Hello.
Hi.
You need help?
Okay.
You have file in there, right?
Yeah.
Name?
Linda.
Linda.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Oh, you know what? Let me.
There's some of them do have price.
Those are probably
Yeah.
$30 each, like
$30
per
each?
bags.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
cheaper out for.
I'm gonna give you a price.
Oh.
$2 for the whole thing.
Okay.
You want it?
My husband doesn't know, but
Okay.
see that where the
Extension cord?
yes.
Okay, perfect.
You just walk around and see all this shiny shit.
I know. These are $2 for the whole thing.
Oh, the whole thing?
Yes.
Alright.
Okay. I'm gonna bag this one.
Alright.
Oh, there's another one there.
Well, this guy.
Okay, Julian, there's no price.
2.
2?
Yeah, give it to me.
2.
2.
$3.50?
I can do it for $3.50. Do you need help? I can put that one out, so you don't have to carry it here.
Yeah, I live across the street, so I have to go get my money.
Oh, you're fine. I just need your
So can you
name.
just don't sell any of this because
Oh, yeah.
this was my neighbor. So
Okay.
just please hold on to
Yeah.
this.
What is your name?
Cindy.
Cindy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You know what? I don't know.
I know it's for like removing pet hair,
For-
right?
Oh.
Oh, this one just pops out like that.
This. Oh.
Does that one do it too? But it's like stuck.
Oh. Pull this one out.
On this side.
On the bottom.
I have no
Okay.
spring.
How the heck did it? Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, so like take the fur, put it in there and pull. It helps to pull all the hair from it. Yeah.
And then it cleans out from down here?
Yes,
Oh,
so it
okay.
comes out right here.
Got
See?
it. I love it.
It works too.
I'll take it.
Okay, wanna take the
Not
whole-
this one, yeah, but these two. Yeah.
This too?
Yeah.
Okay.
And put this one back.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you need help?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me take
You take those out to the table. I would appreciate that so
Yeah.
much.
What is your name?
Yeah, Karen.
Karen.
I'll give you
Perfect,
this.
Karen.
I'll give you this heavy here, and that might as well go.
Okay.
I can handle that.
Perfect.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You know how we talked to you about some other stuff?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah. This is what I'd like to pay for it and then go get my truck.
Okay.
So what time are you guys gonna be here till?
3.
Oh, good, good. 'Cause I can
Yeah.
be back at 1.
Okay, it's
Or
perfect.
before 1. But I was thinking, what's the price on this one?
That one's 25.
How much?
25.
25. And then
That
this
one
is
is 65.
It's for this and this, right?
Yes, that's the whole thing.
That's the set.
And this one's 65.
So it'd be this, this, and the bed. Is this a twin? More than
That I
likely,
don't know.
right?
Yeah. And I have the 2 nightstand that comes with it. $12 each.
Yeah, this one matches the set.
Yes.
That
Yeah.
one does not. You just notice
That's weird.
that? But look, the handles look very
Look the
similar.
same. Yeah, no.
So, yeah,
let me go. Let me go check the other.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah, that's really weird.
Were they
This is different. It matches with the.
yeah. And I looked at this and then I said I was ready to give up and then I said, oh my god, this is
Yeah. Yeah, that's the whole. Yeah, that's the whole set.
okay. So I do want to get these, and I want to pay for them that way. They don't
can
get
hold
cold,
it.
and then
Okay.
I can come back with my truck
Yeah, just pay for it.
and muscle.
Oh, there you go. That sounds good.
Yeah.
Okay. And then when you're ready, just pay
It will be the
outside.
nightstand and
This one.
the end port.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can just pay outside whenever you're ready.
I need to make that. I need to do the math.
Oh, yeah.
Let me see here. He said 25, 25.
No, 25, 12,
Go back. 25, 12.
12, 12,
Yeah.
65,
Yeah.
65. There you go. So whenever you're ready, okay? And I need your phone number and your name outside.
Got it.
Thank you. I think these are. I'm not sure. 12.
12 each.
Yes. $12 each.
Those are the heavy ones, or
No, actually they're nice ones. Oh, it's fairly new. You can try to sit on it.
no, it looks new.
Yeah, they're adorable.
Es que están bien fuertes. What's the least? Do you know? What's the least?
No,
they'll take?
that's our.
That's the final.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tomorrow maybe half off.
All right.
Yeah. So, napisahan ko na pong lagyan ng mga prices itong mga pots and pans dito sa labas. Ngunit, may nawala pong takip. Ito sa mga takip na wala. Kaya hinanap namin ni ate kung nasaan. Ate, where's the lid for that pan?
Nadia, katong na price.
Where? Yun pala, hawak-hawak ni nanay. Tapos, nilipat niya po yung takip dun sa isang pan. Oh, excuse me. This one comes to the lid of the.
Oh.
Yeah, not. It doesn't come with the pan.
The otra dice.
Yeah, this one.
Okay. Who's taking the money?
Oh, you can pay outside. Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. You need help? I can carry that out. Yeah, what is your name? I just need your name. I'm gonna put it in the table.
Samantha?
Samantha? Perfect. The rest of them. You're welcome. You can put the one on top.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. So, nabinta po itong refrigerator at saka washer at saka dryer sa isang customer. Ang mahirap pa is sobrang sikip ng pintuan, so kailangan namin tanggalin yung pintuan saka po namin siya mailabas. 5, 15, 14. Each. So itong dalawang to hindi nagsasalita ng English. So Spanish lang ang alam nilang lengguwahe, kaya laking pasalamat sa Google Translate. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Kung may dalawa kang customer na magsasara ka na sana, kaso wala pa atang plano, umalis ng dalawang to. Naglalaro ng piano sa loob. Agoy! Tapos wala pang tono. Dong, sakit lang
Ano
may tindihan kung ano ang mga pinagtutugtog.
Nagluwa. Walang undang. May undang na siguro. Ay na! Saan na po? Pastilan. Pastilan. Agi-agi na ako ni kay parang undan ni sila. Kasi wala na madam.
Sakit naman kasing kaso namin.
Here.
May gani. Pahulay sila doon. Ako na po pulit eh.
Asa ma-open? Ay, kasi. Wala na. Put nanti kasuga.
So guys, tapos na po yung estate sale namin. Ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano na lang po yung mga natira. Okay? So, ito na lang po yung mga natira. Pakita ko sa inyo lahat. Yung shop, kung maalala nyo. Ito po yan siya before. Bago yung estate sale. Tapos, may mga toolbox pa rin natira. Ang furniture na natira dito is itong dining table. Sa kitchen. Ang dami pa rin glass for us. Yeah. Yan. Okay guys, so tapos na yung estate sale namin. Siguro we did good today. Ang dami naming naibenta. Yeah, so I think that's good. Yeah, so maraming salamat sa panonood. At saka huwag niyo po kalimutan mag-subscribe. Kasi marami pa po tayong video. Actually, next week may kakausapin na namin kaming bagong estate sale. Yeah. So, God bless po. And yeah, thank you.